Stop scrolling for 1 second. If someone just threw up on your mattress, maybe your kid, your pet, or even you, don't panic. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean vomit from a mattress fast, how to remove the vomit smell completely, and how to deep clean the stain so your mattress looks and smells like nothing ever happened. Trust me, you're gonna want these tips saved. Whether it's fresh vomit, old stains, or that sour smell that refuses to disappear, I've got the exact step-by-step process that actually works. Let's fix this nightmare. Alright, step 1. Do not let it soak. The longer vomit sits, the deeper it gets into the foam layers. And that's when the smell becomes almost impossible to remove. Grab a pair of gloves, grab paper towels, and blot. Don't rub. Rubbing pushes the mess deeper into the mattress. Just press down and lift, over and over, until you've removed as much as possible. Next, we need to neutralize the acid in vomit. This is where many people go wrong. They jump straight to baking soda. But before that, mix 1 cup of cold water, ½ cup of white vinegar, a few drops of dish soap. This creates a powerful vomit smell remover. Pour a small amount onto the stain, don't soak it, then blot again. The vinegar breaks down odor-causing bacteria. And yes, this is the step that stops that nasty sour smell from coming back days later. Now for the deep clean. Sprinkle a heavy layer of baking soda directly over the area. This is critical if you want to remove odor from a mattress and lift out the leftover moisture. Let it sit for at least 2 hours. But honestly, overnight is best. The baking soda pulls out trapped liquid and absorbs that lingering vomit smell. Once the baking soda is completely dry, grab your vacuum and use the upholstery attachment. Vacuum slowly and thoroughly. You're removing the baking soda and anything it absorbed. This alone solves most cases of how to remove vomit smell from a mattress. If you still see a stain, don't freak out. Mattress stains are stubborn. Mix hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and dish soap into a stain-lifting paste. Apply it to the spot, let it bubble for a few minutes, then blot again. This is one of the most effective ways to remove set-in stains from a mattress, and it's the same method professional cleaners use. Now that your mattress is clean, here's how to prevent future disasters. Get a waterproof mattress protector. It's cheap, it stops stains, and it solves 99% of future midnight emergencies. Every parent and pet owner should have one. And that's it. You now know exactly how to clean vomit from a mattress, how to remove the smell, and how to deep clean and sanitize the area so it's safe to sleep on again. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life cleaning tips that save you time, money, and sanity. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your laundry day.